aspirants. Welcome to the module of Modern History. Today in this video, we will cover the most important modern history questions. So let's get started. So the first one is, who is the Viceroy of India? The Viceroy of India is Lord Cannon, and the tenure or the period is from 1856 to 1862. The next one is, who is the first Governor General? The first Governor General is Warren Hastings, and the period is 1772 to 1785. The third question is, who led the Salt Satyagraha movement with Gandhi? And the answer is Sarojini Naidu. So Salt Satyagraha movement was started on 12th March 1930. It was started on 12th March 1930. Muhammad Anglo-Oriental College later became which university? Aligarh Muslim University is the answer. And who was the prominent leader in Lucknow during the revolt of 1857? The answer is Begum Hazrat Mahal is the prominent leader in Lucknow. And now coming to the sixth question, who was the first Indian to be elected to the British Parliament? And the answer is Dadabhai Naoroji in the year 1892. And Dadabhai Naoroji is also called the Grand Old Man of India. So this is an important question, you have to remember this. So next one, Sir Hugh Ross described whom the best and bravest military leader of the rebel? The answer is he described it as Rani Lakshmibai. Eighth question. So the permanent settlement of system of revenue collection was introduced in India by Cornwallis. Who established All India Scheduled Caste Federation? And the answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The 10th question, who is the author of the book The First Indian War of Independence, that from 1857 to 59? That is Karl Marx. So today in this video we will cover 30 MCQs, and the remaining MCQs we will be covering it in the next part. So coming to the 11th one, under whose governor generalship the revolt of 1857 occurred? The answer is Lord Cannon. 12th question, Mahatma Gandhi was called as the Rashtrapati for the first time by Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose called Mahatma Gandhi as Rashtrapati for the first time. 13th question is, who is the founder of Bharat Navjawan Sabha? The answer is Bhagat Singh. Who scripted Gandhiji's favorite song Vaishnav Jan To? The answer is Narsingh Mehta. Next, 15th one, who is known as the father of Indian unrest? Bal Gangadhar Tilak is known as the father of Indian unrest. 16th question, who first started the revolt of 1857? So the revolt was started by Mangal Pandey. And where did the revolt 1857 has started? It was started in Meerut. Who was the first Governor General of India? The first Governor General of India is Lord William Bentinck. The first session of All India Congress in Bombay in year 1920 was presided by Lala Lajpat Rai. Next one, who founded Ferguson College at Pune in 1885? It was founded by Deccan Educational Society. The next question is, which region was most affected by the revolution of 1857? And the answer is Awadh. And Awadh is situated in northern part of Uttar Pradesh, and Meerut is also situated in northern part of Uttar Pradesh. From there itself the revolution of 1857 has been started. And the next question is, what is the main cause of 1857 revolt? So the immediate factor was that the introduction of Enfield rifle, because they were asked to bite the bullets which were coated with fat of cows and pigs with the teeth of like Hindus and Muslims. And in those days Hindus and Muslims fought like brothers and sisters in the arms, and this has corrupted the faith of Hindus and Muslims alike. So this was a main reason for 1857 revolt. Okay, and the 23rd question is, with the reference of 1857, who was betrayed by a friend captured and put to death by British? The answer is Tantia Tope. The next question is, to which place did Kunwar Singh, a prominent leader of 1857 revolt, belong to? The answer is Bihar. Next one is, the Pune Pact was signed between the Mahatma Gandhi and the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So Pune Pact is an agreement between the Hindu leaders in India granting the new rights to Dalits. So it was signed in the year of 1932, September 24th. And coming to the 26th question, the first session of Indian National Congress was held under the presidency of W.C. Banerjee. The next one, who presided the Lahore session of Indian National Congress in 1909? The answer is Madan Mohan Malviya. In the session of Indian National Congress, split into two parts, that is the moderates and the extremists. In which session? So the answer is the Surat session. And coming to 29th question, who was the president of Indian National Congress session that was held in Jaipur after independence? And the answer is Dr. Pattabi Sitaramaya Garu. And 30 question, this is the last question in the session, and the question is, who was the first Englishman to become the president of Indian National Congress? So they are asking you about the Englishman here. So the Englishman is George Euler is the Englishman who became the first president of Indian National Congress. So this is all about the modern history MCQs in the first part. So we will continue the series in the second part. And these are the most important MCQs that we have filtered out for you from the last year question papers, so that it will be easy for us to revise. It can be a type of crash course.